You want to learn about one of the easiest ways to make money online that works for anyone on the internet? No matter where they are in the world and requires no networking, social media followers, affiliate marketing, or anything else. You don't even need any experience to pursue this. You want to know how? In this video, I'll be providing you with a strategy that you never imagined would help you make money. Make sure to watch all the way to the end of this video to understand how to make money quickly with the 3 websites I'll show you. But before we go further to this video, welcome to the Best Finance, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's return to the video now. Step 1. Go to google.com, then Step 2, navigate the web page to search for Google News. With this, let me give you a little tip. You can see here that there is a domain that contains the most recent and most updated news, which is news.google.com. The first website that you will see from the search results. Here you can find a wide range and numerous variety of topics and news. Just like that of a newspaper, if you're looking for entertainment news, or science news, or health news, sports news, tech, business, or anything according to your liking. I want you to concentrate on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. Now click on health and you'll see that the results will show you the most up-to-date and relevant news articles about health. Feel free to explore and scroll down to locate an item that interests you. Now, for example, because this article was only recently published, simply click on it and copy the article's content as shown below. After that, we're ready to move on to Step 3, which needs us to visit another website. For this step, I'd like you to go to spinbot.com. Simply put the content of the article into the space provided above and spin, but will rewrite the entire article for you. You will then have a total new article that is unique and original. You'll be using those articles on 3 more websites, which I'll go over with you in a minute, and those websites will of course pay you for them, and some of them will even pay you for every word in the article. You will now use the reconstructed article as we move on to the next 3 websites where you'll begin making money. For the first website that I will show you, you will submit the reconstructed articles, or you can design your own articles and submit them yourself. The website is etingwell.com. You may not enjoy writing long articles or news columns, which is why I taught you about spinbots. You can simply copy and paste articles from the internet and then reconstruct them using the website. And etingwell.com will pay you up to $1 per word. For example, if your article contains 1,000 words and you are paid $1 per word, that is probably the easiest $1,000 you've ever made, because all you had to do was copy and paste. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Let me show you how to submit an article on etingwell.com. Navigate to the bottom of the page and look for their email address under the heading Contact Us. Copy that email address and paste it into the recipient line for your email. Compose your email with the content being the reconstructed article, and finally put article submission in the subject line. Your message is now complete, and all you have to do is send it. If they like your article after they reviewed it, they will send you an email asking for your payment information. If you prefer to be paid through PayPal, simply tell them your account details to claim your money. However, if you do not have PayPal or do not wish to be paid through PayPal, you can claim your money through your bank account via bank transfer. Simply give them your bank information and the money will be waiting for you. There's more. There are other websites where you may post your articles, which brings us to the second website that I'll be sharing with you. SierraClub.org is the second website. where you can earn money by submitting reconstructed articles. Simply go to their official website and find everything you need to know, read the instructions and follow them to the T. Then send your articles to their email address. Simply repeat the process that you went through with etingwell.com, but this time you'll be sending it to sierraclub.org. So here's a tip. Instead of etingwell.com, where they only take health and fitness related articles, you may widen your article selection here with topics connected to technology and science. So go back to Google News and find stories relevant to these for greater results in making money. Finally, daily.jstor.org is the final website where you can submit your articles. Simply go to their website, read the guidelines, and then follow the instructions. Unlike the two previous websites, this website will only pay you 31 cents per word, but it's still a pretty good deal considering you don't have to do so much. If 31 cents per word seems cheap to you, let me assure you that you can make more money by submitting more articles. So that's the approach for today's video. As I previously stated, it's quite simple and you can do it even if you have no prior experience or expertise. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.